This is Aniket Dwivedi. In this screencast, I'm going to implement my node redirect module for Drupal 8. This module is quite simple. It takes node number as input, and when user submits the form, this action redirects the user to the node of the Drupal site. So first of all, let's walk through the code that I have written for the module. It's in Apache 2 htdocs Drupal, and inside the modules folder we can find a module that's go to node id. So it consists of info.yml file and routing file. The backbone of it is this form source file. This actually renders the form inside the block. I have used some styles so that our block looks great, and after that we have this build form to build the form, then validation, and then finally submission that results in the redirection. Okay, so and in this plugin folder we have block. Inside that we have go to an id block .php. It contains the block. It just simply takes the form from this path. You can see we just visited this form source.php file. So yeah, this is our code, and I just so move to the directory where you have the module, and so first of all let's create an archive of our module. That's let me delete the previous one. Okay, so now we are going to create another archive, compress it, and yeah, so again we have this go to an id.zip. Now fire your browser and we'll visit the site on which Drupal is installed. Okay, yeah, so right now we are on the site. That's actually my blog site hosted here. Okay, so I'm going to extend, and here we are going to install a new module, and we can just upload it here. That's it. This go to an id.zip, and we are installing it. Once the once the module is installed, we can enable it. Okay, so we are going to enable it now. Type in go to in the search, and yes, we can see our module here. This small module redirects the user to node id user wishes. Then we can install it, and this just enables it. So now we're going to content, and the structure. We are going to structure, and in the block layout we are going to place the block anywhere we want. But still, let me tell you that it matters that where you place your block. You can't just place it anywhere, so better we use it in our sidebars. We have sidebar first and sidebar second. We can place the block here in the first sidebar, and the name of our block is go to an id block. We are placing the block here, and After saving this block configuration, yeah, we can see that it has now go to an ID block placed. Let's move it upwards, and now we are going to save blocks. Great, so we can go back to our site and we can see that, okay, so here we have some problem. It's overlapping the content. Again I go to block layout. Let's just place it in the second sidebar. So I'm removing this one. And again we move to sidebar second, and now we can place this go to an ID block again. Save blocks. Great, so go back to the site. Okay, so now we can see that we have this block over here. So if I input something like a negative integer, so this is going to warn the user that the node is invalid. Okay, so let's just move to node number 120. I created it for this purpose only. Okay, so we are redirect over here, where here is some random lorem ipsum text. So that's how we implemented in our Drupal site. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.